All right, so let's today we'll make a slide deck with Manus. I don't know whether you guys have used it. I have been using this for almost a year now. I have like very early subscription, so I do get a lot of like extra credits from them because I was their initial users. So let's say build me a pitch deck for table turner. Here's the website link, tableturner.com. The pitch deck shouldn't be more than 5 to 6 pages and should specifically focus on what it provides, how it can restaurants, benefit restaurants, and why the restaurant owners um, should buy it, right? Um, Keep your uh, end user in mind. It's basically for CEO or VCs, right? So I gave it the website. I gave the all the instructions for it to do. In my point of view, I think Manus is the best slide maker as of today. Like I don't see any other competitor which is even close to how good the slides Manus makes. Actually, I've tried multiple other platforms. In fact, like some of the other platforms like Copilot for PowerPoint or Gemini for PowerPoint. I think Claude is getting there, but like every other platform has no idea on how to crack this. And Manus already cracked this probably like 10 months ago. So I've been using this at my work to generate like quick slides, and it generates like very compelling slides. Um, so it will keep on you can see like what it is doing right now. It's researching the website and what is the product being offered. It is going to gather the market data and the visuals, and it's going to prepare the slide content, and it's going to generate the pitch deck slides. And on top of that, like you can obviously like if you don't like something, like you can edit it and you can tell it to fix some things. But this is a quick and dirty way for me to get the first part of which is almost 80% of the work, is to think about like what should we put in these kind of decks, and being able to understand what should we focus on. And that's something like which Manus is doing that for you, so you don't have to worry about it, and you don't have to spend weeks and weeks in building this, right? Like because it does take a lot of time to think through this. So we are using Manus 1.6, and it's a very high performance agent. And I don't know whether you guys know this, but Manus has been bought by Meta. I think three couple of months ago for about $2 billion, and I saw it's completely justified how good they are. It's a Singapore-based company, so and it's opened by like I think 3 or 4 guys. So we're just waiting for Manus to gather the market data and visuals, and it's gonna start creating the slide content. So now it's saving the table turner logo, checking the dashboard preview, and all of that. So we'll just wait for Manus to finish gathering all the supporting information and visuals, and like we'll just want to show you guys like how it generates all of this like towards the end, and like that's the most exciting part, to see like how it does that, right? And I think they do run on the uh, yeah. So as you can see, like this is Manus computer, right? Like on which they are doing all of this. They are they are they are researching about the website. They are doing all of this on their virtual computer, right? So I think Perplexity computer is also pretty similar. The a recent one which came through, I have not used it. I have been only using um, Manus. So let's go back. I think it got hanged. So let's see. Um, so we'll just go here and let's see where it is at. So it's still generating the pitch deck slides. Um, yeah, and in this one, as you can see, like I don't know whether you have explored it, but you can have like new tasks, a library, your agents over here. You can create some automations over here actually with Manus. So you can, for example, like if you want one of your emails to be reviewed by Manus, and like Manus should respond or like analyze the data for you from the email. You just have to set up an automation from Manus, like to forward the email to Manus, and it will send it back to you, like with the analysis, right? So it's pretty good for your regular day-to-day automations. Also, you are not giving an open key to your house, right? In the sense that, like the open claw and stuff, where people are like, oh, I need to give my whole laptop's access to agent. It can run wild. It can delete things for you. It can kill things inside, and that's why people say that, like, hey, you don't need to do it on your laptop. Like, if needed, like do it on a separate Mac Mini, right? Like where none of your data is stored, and it's like a brand new Mac Mini where you just you just like work on off that, right? Like mm, you're not trying to do anything on your personal laptop, and not trying to delete it anything, right? So we are just waiting. Let's see. I think it's already generating some good slides, as you can see. So this is table turner. It was able to capture the logo as well, right? And as you can see, like the slides are pretty neat, and the colors are absolutely wonderful, right? Like 162 billion problem restaurants can't see. How many are closings per week? What is their margin? What is how much time they spend weekly on manual reporting and spreadsheets, and then it is able to see like what are the offerings of turner table turner, right? Like so it gives like real-time dashboard, financial intelligence, and all of that. So by the way, this is my own product, so I'm just like marketing as well, but like also trying to show you guys like how good Manus is in terms of like building all of this, right? As you can see, like what is the benefit, like live in 48 hours, what is the forecast accuracy, a lot of time saved. And then like it also gives you these kind of things, right? Like so market growing, and where it can help, um, and like how it can use AI to do that, right? Like it has Turner agent which can answer questions based on your like hundreds of documents across for the restaurant, and like it is able to do all of that for you. So that was my demo for today on how to use Manus to create like decks, and you can do many more things. But I love Manus for creating decks, and I love Manus for creating like marketing copies and stuff. You can set up like a pipeline where it can post things for you on different platforms. I have not explored that yet, but like happy to explore that like some time down the line. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for supporting, and like please subscribe. Thank you.